What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about something that I don't think I've ever talked about on my main channel. So I'm going to express this over here on this channel, the Matthew Perry 2 channel. And I'll share it on that channel as well, just in case, we don't see the views and all that stuff. And we honestly want some opinions as to why people believe that CRO is not listed on Binance. The CRO is a very popular position worth 1.5, almost $1.5 billion worth of a market cap. It has shown exactly what it can do, is that it is a top cryptocurrency there. You're not seeing a crazy amount of volume that goes into it, but it definitely, has a spot in basically every exchange. The CRO is a very valuable play. I'm a big fan of it. It is my biggest keeper play that I physically own. So while the question was brought to me, hey, is CRO ever going to list Binance? And does it make sense that they don't list Binance? Honestly, it doesn't make sense. It makes no sense at all why they do not have CRO listed on Binance. So let's talk about it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links that are in the description. It does help out the channel. And if you want to join the giveaway, I'll include the giveaway that I have on my credit card channel up in the cards. So definitely go ahead and check that out. And let's go ahead and get into this video. So, CRO, where does it stand currently? Currently, it's at a level of 5 cents. It's almost at 6 cents. We saw a rise more recently to where it pushed up to a level of 6 cents. CRO or crypto.com reported that it was at 6 cents, while the highest price that it got to, and maybe they just rounded up, the highest price that it got to that I saw on Coinbase was about 5.95 cents. So basically right there at the 6 cent mark. And if you did round up, it was at 6 cents. If you asked anybody else, it was at 6 cents. However, if you look at it from a standpoint of breaking that level as a resistance point, as an investment or as an investor, you're like, okay, we need it to actually break 6 cents in order for us to see more bullish momentum. I don't know why my head's in the middle of this, but anyways, you see that Kronos, again, is at this level. You can see the market cap. The market cap's at a $1.46 billion market cap. We're seeing the volume down by 40%, only $7.6 million worth of volume. So it does show a lot lower volume. You do see the circulating supply, 25.26 billion coins. And overall, you have about 30 billion coins. So ultimately, we see that this is a position that's in the top 100. It's ranked 35 by market cap, right? 35th. So being ranked 35th, you're like, okay, do they have some sort of bar on listing tokens to where they don't list a token that's ranked lower than 34? That's not the case, because there's a lot of cryptocurrencies that are on Binance. So what's the real explanation? So I went in here, I went to Binance, I went to go search for it. And the first thing that came out was Binance explaining where to buy Kronos. And note, this coin is not listed on Binance for trade and service. Cryptocurrency prices are subject to high market risk and all that stuff, right? And then they explain exactly where you can buy it. It's kind of giving off those vibes like you can get it anywhere but here. If you're going to trade here and you're going to be here because you're on this website, it doesn't matter. You can't buy it. You can't buy CRO. And it just gives me like kind of F off type of vibes. Like, if you're looking for CRO, you don't belong here, so go to a different place. Like, that's the type of vibes that it gives me, honestly. So anyways, that's the first thing I came across. And then you come across, Reddit that's kind of asking, hey, the biggest crypto exchange and no sign of CRO, is the CEO against CRO. So even if they did, it would probably be ERC20, and who really wants that? Honestly, any type of volume we would still be okay with, as people that invest in cryptocurrency, we understand that you're going to get all types of different coins from different networks. So it's going to be a ERC20 version of CRO, which isn't bad. It's just you're not going to be staking that position. I mean, you may stake it with Binance if they had it available, but who's really to say that that will be the case? It's funny, fools here keep saying low volume token. Have you seen or have you ever used Binance before? It has the shittiest of the bottom barrel low volume coins on there. And honestly, it does have to put something out there or to put this out there. It does have things that are lower valued than CRO. It has things that have less volume than CRO. So why not list it, especially something that is a, kind of a top tier coin, ranked 35th by market cap? Well, they're kind of right on the volume standpoint. You're not really seeing as much volume in there, but that hasn't held back Binance before. I think it's more of two things. There's two reasons, in my opinion, why Binance has not listed CRO and probably will never list CRO. One is competition. I'm sure they know that CRO is the biggest exchange token that's out there. You have Binance or BNB, that's not an exchange coin. That's the main purpose of that is really through the chain and functionality through the chain rather than, functionality on Binance. For CRO, you stake it on CRO, you stake it on crypto.com, and you get a higher value for staking for other positions. So it gives you a little bit of benefit in order to hold it longer. And the hold time for CRO is a lot higher than a lot of positions. So that's the reason why you see lower volume, is because for people that are invested in CRO, that believe in CRO, don't necessarily need to continue to buy it because you're gaining more with a high APY that's on crypto.com or on the DeFi wallet. So it doesn't make sense for you to go about, just buying up and buying up and buying up. I mean, you can average down if you want to, but you're also gaining an APY every single year. So why not go about that route that way? And then I think the next factor, the next reason to why Binance won't add CRO is because Binance doesn't have a stake. Binance doesn't have that larger amount that they're holding for their bottom line. Binance tends to invest in the positions and buy up, 10 to 30% of the position, kind of like they do with Terra Luna Classic, kind of like they do with Jasmy Coin or a lot of other positions that they hold. They like control. And that's not to say that that's bad, that they like control. They like to be able to increase their bottom line and make sure people are trading on that platform. You can't do that with CRO. You can't own that much. They already burned off 70% of their overall volume or overall supply that they did have, leaving themselves 30 billion coins. So they don't have a larger stake. And at this point, buying a larger stake would cost, hundreds of millions of dollars at this point. And as time goes on, it will cost billions of dollars. So they don't want to kind of boost the competition, and they also don't want to have anything on their platform or listing anything on their platform that they don't have a massive stake of. Now, typically they're going to, because you have to have trading volume. So you'll have a wallet on there to where you can use it towards trading. But the amounts that they usually get, you don't really usually need that much. It kind of adds a controlling stake, honestly. It gives me like billionaire take over every company vibes type of thing. So anyways, that's the reason why I don't think you'll ever see CRO listed on Binance, but it doesn't really need to happen. I don't believe it needs to happen. You understand the ability to grow with CRO on crypto.com through crypto.com and various other platforms like Coinbase. And why am I not able to think of anything else? But if you go over to the markets on CoinMarketCap, you'll see different places. So Coinbase, KuCoin, BitThumb, and 78 other places to where you can purchase CRO. So anyways, that's my opinion. That's my 2 cents. It's not necessarily 100% true, but it's my truth. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.